Welcome back, everybody. This is Where To Next. I have my trusty companions here in the background. So what I'm doing all these next several days is I'm going to be putting up inside fencing on the property to separate the turkeys and the chickens from the rest of the property. They are getting big, and man, if you've never had turkeys before, their feet are so big and powerful. When they're scratching on the ground, they can really do a lot of damage, even on gardens and stuff. And you can see they'll just follow me everywhere. So I call these my guard dogs now, actually. So yeah, I'm gonna be setting up some inner fencing using the metal T-post and a sledgehammer. Now I have to tell you, if you can do anything but use this sledgehammer, I would recommend doing it. I can't find the fence post pounder here in Belize, the one that slides over the top and you pound it in. They have these metal T-posts, but you can't find that tool. So I got to do it the old-fashioned way by hand with the sledgehammer. The other thing is there's a lot of limestone under this ground, as you can see from the white here on the bottom of this bar. So just about every post I'm hitting limestone, where I just have to sit there and pound it and pound it and pound it, break up the limestone as this thing is going through. It's a workout. I'm not getting any younger, so I can use it, but yeah, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes per post to put in, and about a 15-minute break after each one. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work here, but like I said, gonna be separating the inside of this property from the rest of the main property. So the turkeys and the chickens will have their own big space over here that will keep them separated. And I'll show you where I'm getting my supplies out here in Belize, just in case anybody else wants to know. I looked around a lot before I was able to find this type of stuff, so it's a good thing to know. And hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to work. Alright, as you can see, I have now put in the main post. It's going to be for the corner and where the gate's going to hang right here, 6-foot gate in here. Concreted into the ground, braced right now. Fencing will run this way and this way. So I have the 5-foot field fence is what I'm going to be using. 2-inch holes. It's got 2-inch holes. So that's what I'm going to be using, is the 5-foot 2-inch hole field fence. I got these supplies at Belize Fence Company in Spanish Lookout. So as you can see, I got the outside fence put up along the perimeter all the way up here. I put the 4-foot chicken wire on the out fence since I already had 4-foot barbed wire running up there. And I did the 5-foot field fence here. So you got the 4-foot chicken wire running the whole outside. Somebody's laying an egg. She's happy. Just lay an egg. You did? Where's your egg? Right there. As happy as can be. So yeah, here's the field fence on the outside. I got one more section to do. It's going to be right down here. It's going to connect here to this post, and there's going to be a door right here. Alright guys, so I finally got the fence done behind me here. It's taking me a little bit longer because all the rain. You can probably see the rain clouds in the distance behind me. Been dealing with what's getting ready to be the first name storm of the season, heading up in Mexico and Texas area. So it's been kind of slow going, but I'm going to turn the camera around and kind of show you what I got going and just explain it to you a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, I got it all done pretty much, even the back sides. This gate I'm going to have to redo. The turkeys are smart, so are the chickens. They jumped up on top of that, but that setup right there has kind of kept them from that. I got a bungee cord on it now until I get a locking mechanism. But yeah, from the quail, the baby chicks down there, the fencing, so far this has worked great. This has kept everybody in. They're separated. You see, in these trees I cut the bottoms up some, put the turkeys and the chickens some roosting area. Everybody seems to like it though. Had a old triangle shade tarp that I wasn't using, so I also made good use of that. Tied that up in here. But yeah, you can see it's fenced all the way down, all the way to the back, all the way up here, and then all the way down. Everybody seems to be okay right now. They're not that happy with me. They're, you know, spoiled. They're used to having free roam with the entire property, and now they don't. But it's a better thing. I lost one a couple days ago to a fox. It was actually the mother of all these babies, which sucks as that was my favorite chicken. Fox took her out on the other side of that fence. She went through over here, and I literally watched it happen. So, but now they're safe. They're all behind the fence. Shouldn't have to worry about any predators. So yeah, so it took about, like I said, between the rain and everything, took about 3 days total to do this. Only just a couple hours a day, maybe 2 hours max a day, to put up all the T-posts, the fencing, put in that fence post right there with the concrete, and then just to run everything. I use zip ties on everything. I know it comes with fasteners, but I don't like to use those fasteners, and if they fall off or get lost, that's just another piece of metal that I have in the yard that I don't want. So, you know, it's just basic maintenance on it. But there's the finished product. If you have any comments down there, go ahead and leave them. Once again, thanks for watching. If this is your first time watching the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. We got a ton more videos that are coming, and we got a bunch up that are already up there right now. So yeah, fenced in turkeys and chickens. Came out good.